Hello, cookbook friend. Welcome to the Cookbook Divas YouTube channel. My name is Katie. Today I wanted to look at The Comfortable Kitchen. This is by Alex Snodgrass. I honestly was drawn to this book because of, there's a picture of potatoes in here with this amazing dipping sauce. And I was like, I know it's simple and easy and I'm sure anybody could, that's what drew me to this cookbook. I'll just be perfectly honest. I think a lot of people are really going to want to check this out, especially with January and people are trying to change how they eat. Apparently, Alex Snodgrass has developed a lot of Whole30 recipes. I know my parents have been doing Whole30 and it's been a pretty successful journey for them. But this has 105, almost at 150, 105 comfortable recipes that are all laid back, they're healthy, and they're wholesome, and they really are. I've seen a few of them, and I was really surprised that they were like as healthy and lazy as humanly possible. So I'm really excited to actually make a lot of these dishes myself. So let's check out the inside. We have these awesome photos, these awesome table spreads. Let's see the table of contents. All right, so we've got pantry staples, appetizers, and then we have pretty standard cookbook organization. There's satisfying salads and bowls, savory soups, pasta. We've got vegetarian dinners. Then we go to beef, pork, and lamb. Then we go to chicken, seafood. Give me all the sides, something sweet, and even cocktails at the very end. So very cool. And then there's a back to basics. So I'm really curious what that means. Let's look at so pantry staples. I like how her pantry is organized. I might have to take a little note here. So let's look at the recipes themselves. We have paleo pigs in a blanket. And I know it's kind of hard to see, but there's a lot of text, but it's all very important. So we have right below the title, we have how much it makes, so the yield, also how long it takes to make everything. Then we have on the left-hand side here, so probably on each corner, we'll see what everything, like where everything lies in dietary restrictions. So surprisingly, this is gluten-free. There's dairy. This is dairy-free, paleo, grain-free. We have a little blurb at the top, and then we have the pretty standard ingredients on the left-hand side. Here's the instructions, and then from your kitchen or from my kitchen to yours, there's a lot of ways to make this ahead of time. How you can freeze it, how you can store everything. So she gives you kind of everything you possibly need for each dish. So that's very cool. Here's a celery salad with a charcuterie. Very cool. Oh, shrimp ceviche. This looks so good. Oh, I'm dying. This is a Whole30 recipe. Yum. Oh, I'm dying. Okay. Truffle pizza. You can make it gluten-free if you modify it, which is really cool. She even has, you can use gluten-free pizza dough for gluten-free option. Satisfying salads and bowls. This looks I want this so bad. This is a balsamic steak salad with creamy gorgonzola dressing. It's all about that gorgonzola dressing, I'm not going to lie. That sounds really, really tasty. Buffalo Caesar bowls was the tar chicken. This really makes me want to go back and start eating more salads just because they look so filling and really good, and it doesn't take that long to make. I feel like sometimes it takes forever to make a really awesome salad. So I'm really excited. Chicken Pillard salad with Thai basil green goddess dressing. Wow, and it's beautiful. If you can see the photos, the pink and the green, so cool. Harvest salad with miso dressing. This looks really, really effing good. Okay, so we've got bowls. So she has one pot, one pan recipes in here, which is really cool. This looks super tasty. looks like one of the more involved recipes that I flipped to so far. If you can see all of the ingredients listed here. Here's creamy cauliflower green curry soup. French onion beef stew. So far, it looks like almost every recipe does come with a photo, which is another thing that I really like because I love to see what everything should look like. So for those of you that are also like that, this is cool. Ooh, healing creamy mushroom soup. This looks really good. Okay, let's go look at some other stuff. Spicy miso ramen with pork. Oh, yum. Zuppa Toscana. I'm not seeing very many recipes that are actually over an hour of prep or cook time, which is pretty amazing. Being able to cook any of these dishes without it taking that much time, that's really cool. One pot beef stroganoff. I haven't had that in a long time. Chicken dandan inspired noodles. Cumin beef stir fry. I'm having a hard time not, like, my mouth is watering so much. I'm trying to, like, keep it together. I'm really hungry. This looks awesome. Mexican pizza. Let's see what else we've got going on here. A few more mains. Penang curry-inspired chicken meatballs. Almost everything in here I want to make, which is kind of surprising. A lot of times I get a little, I don't know, with cookbooks that have a lot of recipes, I get overwhelmed and I'm just like, I don't want to make it all, but this one, I kind of want to try at least one a day. So this is cool. Let's look at some of the actual desserts and then the basics. So we've got something sweet. I love her kids. Scotcheroos. Yum. And this probably is the longest recipe I've seen. This takes an hour and 15 minutes. Lemon avocado oil cake. Very good. That would be perfect for summertime. Individual Texas sheet cakes. Let's look at some of the cocktails she provides. She's got an espresso martini. Mezcal mule. And then let's find the basics. Back to basics. So a faux rotisserie chicken, Instapot and slow cooker methods. Interesting. I like that. That's cool. Quick pickled red onions. Okay, I see what she's talking about. Homemade mayo. That's awesome. Wow, and it's dairy free. So that's cool. We've got, yeah, this is really, really awesome. I like that this is more healthy, so we're not calorie counting and obsessive with that. This is more just, here's some really awesome options for you if you're trying to do healthy eating, but it doesn't take away from all of the really scrumptious food that we love when we're just kind of being overindulgent. So I really, really like this. Check this out. This is by Alex Snodgrass. Check her out on Instagram too. She's got a lot of really cool stuff in here. If you guys want more cookbook content, come join us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. We also have a website that we do and a podcast where we do weekly cookbook roundups. You'll find all kinds of cool stuff there. Make sure to, before you leave today, to subscribe and to like down below. It really helps us out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.